Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can assign the Accessibility Zoom Magnifier Shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we go down and tap on Action button. In the action button, swipe across until you can locate the accessibility page. Then here, tap on the drop-down list. From the list, go down and select Zoom. This will allow you to assign the Zoom shortcut to the action button on the side here. Now, after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. When you want to turn on or turn off the zoom feature, you can simply just press on this button here. And now zoom is disabled. Press on it again. Press and hold on the action button will allow you to switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can use 3 fingers and double tap on the screen. This will allow you to zoom in on the screen. And there you go. And here, if I press and hold on the action button again, it will switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.